Dear traders, welcome. In this video, you'll learn our trades, how you can also do accurate trades, where to set stop losses, take profits. It is a new rubric. I decide to test. Write in the comments would you like to see. What we are going to do right now. I will show to you several trades that I took and my community took, my students, and the reasons why we did it, and how you also can follow such strategies. Uh, all of these trades I take in our Discord because we have special folder where with our members we share trade together, and once per 2 weeks we have calls where we analyze it. And let's do it publicly. First trade, it was, let's do yesterday trade from trader Alexander. This trade was really beautiful because pay attention what was here. He took beautiful short here. Let me show it to you at this high. But what was the real reason there? Have a look on this powerful tool, a footprint. Yesterday, in this coin, some significant volume appeared in a footprint, and based on that, he took beautiful short where he was his entry. When he placed short, pay attention where he should set stop loss above high, and all of the significant volume were as a major resistance, and that major resistance, based on that, price dropped beautifully. Also, pay attention to the stuff. It is a VWAP. Price retested VWAP, significant volume. I think that's really beautiful. At this moment, what should you do? If you have any questions regarding words that I pronounce, what's VWAP, ATR, all of this stuff, share with me in the comments and I will help you. Also, download free PDF about this strategy in description. Beautiful execution. Pay attention that he get out from this position by parts. He didn't keep it for many years. If you take scalp trade, your target also must be scalp. Beautiful trade. I like it. Let's do some other example. It is DOGE coin. It is my trade I took on Friday, and here is my mistake. Many of our community members made so big money because I shared all of these trades with our community members, and many of them made 4-digit numbers. But because of headache, I closed it too early, and after that, it pumped so much. But let's cover what was the reasoning here. First reason, pay attention on this volume profile. Many of you build levels based on technical analysis. You do it differently. In most cases, we use volume profiles, important levels, and we have special confirmation. At center of this volume profile, insane volume appeared in a footprint of Dogecoin spot market. And why this stuff was really important for me? Because here, this volume, it shows to us that some whale bought a lot of coins, and quite often it played out really good. And after that, pay attention. We took long exactly at center of this volume profile, and price pumped nearly 15%. Here, that's example for you when you can have beautiful trade, good sizing, everything okay, but because I went out too early, I didn't make additional couple thousands of USD. Like sometimes like it biggest my mistakes that I do. I am a human. I don't want to create some videos where I show that I only are perfect. I also have stuff that I'm working on, and share with me at this moment what things you think you need to improve, like sizing, risk management, setting stop losses, entries. Another example, it is from Alexander. It is this one, beautiful short. Here, another reason, pay attention, this one. In volume profile on a spot market, exactly this significant volume entered, exactly this one. Price retested, he took trade here and went out here. Beautiful trade. Pay attention that quite often significant volume nodes become important support resistance. And by the way, it is part of our strategy, and when you will download PDF, you will see it. It is one of the major part of our strategy, especially when significant volume appears in a good place. That's example for you why you don't need to be greedy, because if you take scalp trade, you need to get out. He took his 1.7%, price made this drop, and after that massive pump. Especially against a trend, don't be greedy. Take small part and say thank you and leave. Uh, let's do additional 2 trades. The last, the most important and the most interesting trade will be at the end. It is this one short on Dogecoin on the previous week. It's beautiful. This one just perfect, I would say. What was here? At rehigh, Dogecoin pumped really fast, and at rehigh, this massive volume entered Dogecoin exactly at high. Someone sold massive amount of coins. It was exactly here. After what I did, I sent notification to all people that I took short. Here was my short, and pay attention what after that have Dogecoin really fast drop. We took trade at 1738 and at 1755 trade were closed. Friends, less than 20 minutes. And here, pay attention again. I went out by parts. My major idea why I close a trade, why I started to close trade exactly here. My major target was a retest of this range because here was big volume profile. Honestly, I didn't know that there would be such additional drop, like price drop additional 2 times. And you never know how far it will drop, especially against a trend. Against a trend, you don't need to be greedy because on another example, a trade that we took on BTC with also our community members. At rehigh here, BTC did a trap with significant volume at high. After, at that high, massive volume appeared also in the footprint. This time I didn't add a screenshot. And we took short with stop loss here, and after that beautifully went out. And have a look here. Example, I closed trade by parts. In this trade, I booked 1 to 4 risk reward. And pay attention, my friend, why you don't need to be greedy. It is beautiful scalp against a trend. And after that, pay attention how price pumped. When you take trades against a trend, your goals must be small, because if you always try to find a reversal, in most cases it would never happen. Share with me at this moment, do you like what I just showed to you about all of these trades? And right now there would be a video about description about the strategy, volume profile plus footprint. Watch entirely for free, learn, start making money, and see you in next videos. Thank you.